especially if it is not just you. If it's going to be between two persons, then there are documents that you should have. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeyemi Adeola Elizabeth. Yes, I'm filming from Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for joining me today. The other day I was called by a friend who the lawyer had to the station. I thought it was just okay, let me just go there. I don't like going to the station because I like prevention. So whatever I'll be taking you to the police station means that you did not prevent some things. I discovered that it was actually a business transaction that I went to. A business transaction that went to the left instead of to the right. So how did these guys got here? Story time. Yeah, so two business owners decided to go into a very lucrative business. Yes, they had to go into a lucrative business and they failed to put in place what they ought to put in place before starting. So they dived into it and they went, and it was very beautiful. It was a beautiful and lucrative business, but something was missing from the very start. So when they had this journey, the other person said, "I don't trust you anymore," and then trust became an issue. Yes, because they never envisaged that the business was actually going to bloom. That is one very mistake that entrepreneurs make. They don't believe that the business is going to boom. So of course they didn't put in place the right structure or what they ought to put in place. Let's not talk about structure today. I have dealt with structure on this channel. If you want to learn about structure, about who should be a member of your company, about who should be a director, who should be a shareholder, I have talked a lot about the channel. So I'm moving high because I realize that people, apart from structure, there is a lot of things that people are not doing. Yes, so let's get right to it. I'm going to tell you about very important documents that you should have if you want to start business with anyone, with anybody, especially if it is not just you. If it's going to be between two persons, then there are documents that you should have. The first most important document is a business certificate. That is an incorporated business certificate wherein both you and your intended partner or your partners are listed in as the business promoters, as the owners or the partners in that particular business. So a certificate of incorporation is the first document that you should have if you want to enter into business with anybody, especially if it is not just you. If it is going to be with persons, okay, two persons coming together and you want to do business together, make sure you register that business and then have your certificate of incorporation documents with you. It is facts and figures. It has left the realm of "I don't trust you" or "you are not my partner." What is that certificate saying? What it says is what it is. So don't rush into just investing your money into that business. Make sure that the structure of the business is legally. And the second most important document you should have is partnership agreement. This cannot be overemphasized. Have a partnership agreement because a partnership agreement tells the deal between both of you. It says, okay, this person and these persons are into so business. This is the object of their business. Yeah, this is what they do. This is what they intend to do. This is what they will do later on. This is how they are going to share the profits and how they are going to share their liabilities. You see, it tells how your business is going to be terminated. If there arises dispute, how it is going to be resolved. It is stated and then both of you signed and co-signed. But where such is not, where you don't have a partnership agreement, where you don't have a certificate of incorporation, somebody can just wake up Sunday and tell you, "I am not a partner, I am an investor," or "I am not an investor, I am a partner." But before you go into any business with anybody, have these two very important documents. Thank you for joining me today.